This is a test of the emergency alert system. This broadcast originates from the Los Angeles Emergency Operations Center, where the response to major emergencies is managed. Many broadcasters have agreed to deliver emergency alert system warnings that will help you understand what has happened and what you need to do. When you hear a real emergency alert system broadcast, you should immediately tune to a source of broadcast news for Los Angeles County. This concludes the test of the emergency alert system.
Viking Army on Nova.
This is a test. This station is conducting a required weekly or required monthly test of the emergency alert system. This is only a test.
Esta es una prueba. Esta estación está transmitiendo la prueba semanal o mensual requerida por el sistema de alarma y de emergencia. Esta es solamente una prueba.
This is a test of the emergency broadcast system. The broadcasters of your area, in voluntary cooperation with federal, state, and local authorities, have developed this system to keep you informed in the event of an emergency. If this had been an actual emergency, the attention signal you just heard would have been followed by official information, news, or instructions. This station serves the Cuyahoga County area. This concludes this test of the emergency broadcast system.